Welcome back, friends. Previously we have uploaded various videos on various topics such as 1. Bank strike again. 2. Wage revision by the 31st of March 2018. 3. Why AIBEA not giving initial offer. And many more. If you have missed watching that videos, please watch that from channel videos list. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for regular updates. Recently, Ministry of Finance Government of India has officially confirmed merger of public sector banks. On the 5th of January 2018, Ministry of Finance in a question asked in Lok Sabha has confirmed that IT has put in place an approval framework for proposals to amalgamate nationalized banks. The following were the question asked in Lok Sabha. A. Whether the government proposes to merge or consolidate the public sector banks as part of restructuring of banking system of the country, if so, the details thereof. B. Whether the government has issued official communication to the banks asking them to start the merger process, if so, the details thereof. C. Whether the government is planning roadmap to implement the Nassiman Committee report, if so, the details thereof. And D. The benefits likely to be derived out of the merger, consolidation of banking system and the likely impact thereof on customers. To these questions, Minister of Finance answered as follows. The Banking Companies, Acquisition and Transfer of Undertakings, Acts of 1970 and 1980 provides that the central government, in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India, may make a scheme, inter alia, for the amalgamation of any nationalized bank with any other nationalized bank or any other banking institution. Consolidation in public sector banks has been discussed by various committees and their reports, viz. Narasimhan Committee, 1998, Indian Banks Association Report, 2004, Planning Commission Report, 2008, Leela Committee, 2008, and Nayak Committee, 2014. These committees recommended encouragement and promotion of consolidation within PSPs through the merger and amalgamation route. Taking note of these recommendations, with a view to facilitate consolidation among the nationalized banks to create strong and competitive banks, government has put in place an approval framework for proposals to amalgamate nationalized banks. Just 3 days after this, on the 9th of January 2018, in a news published by various leading newspapers, it was confirmed that Finance Minister may choose the budget day, that is on 1/February/2018, for announcement of merger of public sector banks. This news reads as follows. RE may announce bank merger on 1/Feb 2018. As fixing the banking crisis seems to be a top agenda for the government, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley may choose the budget presentation day, February 1st, to announce bank merger proposals, CNBC-TV 18 reported, quoting an unidentified official. The Finance Ministry expects major mergers between public sector banks, PSPs, early next fiscal. On November 1st, Arun Jaitley headed a ministerial panel on consolidation of PSU banks has been empowered to direct lenders to examine proposals for amalgamation. Last month, Arun Jaitley, speaking at an event, said that bank recapitalization will be among the top 3 priorities for the government for the fiscal year 2018-19. The Finance Minister headed Alternative Mechanism, AM, will receive inputs from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, before recording in principle approvals. The AM would devise its own procedure for appraisal of amalgamation proposals by banks, and be guided overall by the objectives of the Nationalization Acts, Banking Companies, Acquisition and Transfer of Undertakings, Acts, 1970 and 1980, PTI reported. The Union Cabinet in August had decided to set up an alternative mechanism to fast-track consolidation among public sector banks to create strong lenders. While announcing the unprecedented Rs 2.11 lakh crore capital infusion roadmap for the public sector banks last month, Jaitley had said, this will be accompanied by a series of banking reforms over the next few months. The government last week also sought parliamentary nod for additional Rs 80,000 crore bonds for bank recapitalization, which was approved by the Lok Sabha the same day.